Hey YouTube, today's a great day. I received my new cleats from World Soccer Shop. As you guys can see, and yeah, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video and tell you guys how they look and how they feel, and yeah, let's get to it. Here's the box, size 10. And here's a little 20% promotion code they gave you. Yeah. Alright guys, here, let me bring the camera view. Alright, here they are. See, I've never ordered with them, so comes with the bomb. Happy holidays. There's no sales on cleats. Comfort insoles. Alright. Now the best part. Oh my god. Here they are. Leather Adizeros. In the electric green colorway. Looks amazing. Well guys, what can I say? The leather on these feels amazing. And yeah, nothing really. F50, yeah. Actually really light. Let me put the camera back here. So yeah guys, these are my new boots. Adizeros feel great. Very lightweight, which I really like. Yeah guys, so if I get 20 likes on this video, I'll be making a new video of me testing these out, and just an overall free kick video. You guys will see me in the video using these. And yeah, so if you guys want to see a new free kick video with me using these and other cleats, not only like, but also subscribe and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.